Wednesday, September 2nd, about 2:30 in the afternoon. I came in the Jeep. I even got a light on because I was outside for like 2 hours or so. And it's cold and windy now. I came in here, the wind dies down. But it got really dark out. So I think it's going to storm. Chilly today, 64, 65 degrees with a wind. Rained all morning from about 4 a.m. to noon. Off and on, not steady. I think we had a mouse in the Jeep last night. I think it was stealing their dog food. Because Demi heard it, then he just sat there right next to it the rest of the night. It was like at 2:30 in the morning. But I don't know, I don't hear it now. He must come and go. Comes for the dog food, so let's see if we can catch him or not. Snoopy's over there biting his toy. Demi's laying on me. He's still staring over this way. So something was in there. Alright, that's it for now. Still Wednesday, September 2nd, 7 o'clock. Been raining good now for a half hour. We're inside watching DVDs. I don't know, I just can't even see him. Hey, Gammy. He's all cuddled up. Good dopey. I know. Raining? Raining, scaring you? You don't know what the heck's going on. Demi, he just sleeps through it. Hey, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is why I got that awning out there. I wouldn't have no air in here if I wasn't having that awning. I had to close the other windows. Even the front one with the awning, because the awning misses it by like 4 inches. It was getting water. I had to shut the front window. This is the only window I got open. Crazy. Holy cow, I hope nobody's in a tent up here. Just started about 8 o'clock or something. Stupid light goes out too fast on this one. Yeah, 8 o'clock. And it's been gushing for 10 minutes. Something fell. I heard a great big crash. Scared the heck out of me. I don't know if a tree fell. Sounded really close to me though. Pretty scary.